Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to connect a network printer in Windows 7, 8, and Windows 10. Type IP address or computer name. Type network credential for that system. Right-click the shared printer, click Open. Network printer is successfully connected. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.